In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a template in Shopify. This straightforward task requires accessing the code editor, and I'll guide you through each step to ensure you can handle it with confidence. Deleting a template can be useful when you're cleaning up your theme or making significant updates, so let's dive right into it. First, you need to navigate to the Shopify admin section. Once there, find the section labeled Online Store. It's typically on the left-hand side of your admin panel, alongside other important tabs like Orders and Products. Click on Online Store and a drop-down menu will appear. From this drop-down, select Themes, which is usually the topmost option. This will direct you to the page where all your current themes are displayed. Now, on the Themes page, you'll see a list of themes you have installed on your store. Locate the theme that has the template you wish to delete. Once you've identified the correct theme, look for a button with 3 dots. This is your More Options button for the theme. Click on it, and a small menu should appear. Within these options, find and click on Edit Code. This action will take you directly to the code editor, the central workspace for any code edits you want to make to your theme. Entering the code editor, you'll see a directory of folders and files on the left side. Look for the folder labeled Templates. This is where all the page templates for your theme reside. Click on it to expand its contents. With the Templates folder open, browse through the list to find the specific template you want to remove. The file name for each template usually reflects its purpose, such as product, collection, etc., making it easier to identify. Once you've located the template you'd like to delete, click directly on its name to ensure you're working with the correct file. After clicking the template name, it will open in the editor window. Here, pay attention to the top area of this window where you'll find a trash can icon. This is your delete button. Click on the trash can icon to initiate the deletion process. Before the template is deleted, Shopify will present you with a confirmation dialog. Now, it's crucial to remember that this action is irreversible. If you're sure about deleting this template and you've double-checked that it's the correct file, go ahead and click Delete File. This action will permanently remove the template from your theme. And that's it. You've successfully deleted a template from your Shopify theme. Remember, this process cannot be undone, so always ensure you have backups of important templates before deletion. This method keeps your theme clean and resources well managed, helping you maintain an efficient and organized store interface. Thank you for following along, and if you have more changes to make, the code editor is always ready for you to edit as needed.